So we are here on way. So you can see a rabbit here. It is running on the way. Actually, people choose to make such black magics and everything on these places because, as per the records, these type of places are very useful.
Inside a haunted house.
Well, as per the local people, we can see a haunted house here. I'll show you. So you can see there, and the local rituals are happening here. So as they said that we can't, you can see the house there, you can see here. So it's a house where people say that the haunting happens here.